Hello everyone, my name is Ukalvin and I'm here to answer the questions from number 1. And here's the questions. Okay, so there's two main questions in here. First, what is the name of a network layer packet? So, a network layer packet, it's called a datagram. And what is a datagram? A datagram is a basic unit of data transmitted over a network, specifically at the network layer. It contains a header with routing informations like source and destination IP addresses, and a payload with the actual data. Datagrams are used in connectionless communications, meaning they are sent independently without a dedicated path or session, and do not guarantee delivery or order. And the second one, what is the fundamental difference between a router and a link layer switch? So first, the router. Router operates at the network layer or layer 3. It is responsible for routing packets between different networks and making forwarding decisions based on IP addresses. Routers connect multiple networks and direct data along the optimal path. And link layer switch. Link layer switch operates at the data link layer or layer 2. It is responsible for switching frames within a single network segment. Switches uses MAC addresses to forward data to the appropriate device within the same network. And to sum it up, routers handle data transmissions between different networks by analyzing IP addresses, while link layer switches operate within a single network segment using MAC addresses.
Hello, my name is Jasmine Naura. My name is 28025122235. On this occasion, I will explain the answer for question R2. In network layer, functionally is divided into the data plane and the control plane. Each has distinct roles in package forwarding and network decision making. First, data plane function. The data plane is responsible for the actual forwarding of package through the network. Its main functions include 1. Package forwarding, moving package from an incoming interface to appropriate outgoing interface based on forwarding tables. 2. Package processing, handling tasks like error checking, fragmentation, and quality service or QoS enforcement. 3. Header inspects and lookup, extracting information from packet headers and determining the next hop based on routing tables. 4. Traffic policing and shaping, enforcing network policy related to bandwidth and priority. Control plane function. The control plane is responsible for network-wide decisions and maintaining routing information. Its main functions include 1. Routing table management, computing and updating the forwarding table using routing protocol like OSPF, BGP, or RIP. 2. Path selection, determining the best path for package forwarding based on metrics such as hop count, latency, or cost. 3. Topology discovery and maintenance, gathering and distributing information about network technology and topology and link states. Number 4. Network policy enforcement, applying access control policy and security rules. The data plane operates at high speed with router or switches to handle package affectionality, while the control plane is responsible for making network-wide routing decisions and updating forwarding rules dynamically.
Hello, my name is Naura Zhafarina, and I'm gonna answer the R3 problems, the R3 questions. So first, forwarding is the router local process of transferring incoming packets from an input link to the appropriate output link, while routing is the network-wide process of determining the best path for packets to travel from the source to the destinations. The difference is forwarding transfers packets locally from input to output ports in a router, uses the forwarding table, determines local forwarding at a specific route, done in hardware at high speeds, also known as data plane, which is responsible for actual packet movement, while routing determines the end-to-end path for packets across a network, creates the forwarding table used by routers, works at a longer time scales, also known as the control plane, which is responsible for making routing decisions.
Hello, my name is Chintya Zahra Suhendri with study number 28025000000. I will answer the question part R4. What is the role of the forwarding table within a router? The forwarding table in a router maps destination IP address to output ports within package forwarding. It helps the router determine the correct path for incoming package and is regularly updated by routing protocols.
Hello, my name is Levia Widjaya. I'm from Business Information Technology. Today, I want to explain my answer on question R5 in session 7 and 8. The question is, we said that a network layer service model defines the characteristic of end-to-end transport of packets between sending and receiving host. Question number 1. What is the service model of the internet network layer? The network layer is a part of communication process in computer networks. The main job is to move data package between different networks. This layer helps move package from the sender to receiver through multiple paths and networks. In this model, the network layer handles several main functions. 1. Packetizing. What is packetizing? Packetizing is wrapping data from transport layer into package ready for sending. 2. Routing. What is routing? Routing is choosing the best path for package to reach their final destination. Number 3. Forwarding. What is forwarding? Forwarding is passing package from one device to another device based on the routing table. Question number 2. What guarantees are met by the Internet service model regarding to host-to-host delivery of datagrams? The Internet service model does not give strong guarantees. Why? 1. No guarantees of delivery. Some package may be lost. 2. No guarantee of order. Package may arrive in the wrong order. Number 3. No guarantee of delay. Some package take longer time to arrive. Number 4. No guarantee of fixed bandwidth. The network doesn't reserve a fixed amount of bandwidth. Number 5. No guarantee of data integrity. Errors can happen and the network doesn't fix them. So the internet tries its best, but it doesn't promise anything. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Dian and Lusiawati, and today I want to answer question from the PowerPoint. In this scenario, buffering refers to the process of managing information flow between different family members. In this case, group a delegate, just like salt, enhance the flavor of food in small amounts but make it unpalatable in excess. Buffering ensures that message or letters are appropriately handled. Here the family members delegate, collect, and distribute letters to other family members. But without any explicit indication of who the letters are meant for, this could imply a situation where the letters themselves are somewhat generic or non-specific, and the delegate is responsible for determining the correct recipient and ensuring they receive the letters. In this analogy, the delegate serves as kind of buffers between the letters and the family members, ensuring the correct person receiving the information without letting the process become too complicated or overwhelming, like too much buffering causing delays or confusion. The lack of explicit recipient indication on the letters means the delegate must interpret or manage the distribution of letters to make sure no family members miss any correspondence. The delegate role is to act as an intermediary, ensuring the system works smoothly and effectively, much like the ideal amount of buffering in a communication system. So in essence, the balance of buffering, meaning the delegate's role, ensure the right amount of organization without creating unnecessary complexity or delays in the process.